Hey guys, I am at the car wash. Colin, stop. I'm at the car wash. Yay! It's 6 o'clock.
No, you ordered the 6, and I don't think they're not taking your sister on.
Duh. Okay.
Can I look?
No,
They can.
you can't.
See, because I'm looking right now.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Come on, start going. Quit it!
Hey, Colin.
Stop it.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Hello.
I have to look forward because I have to drive the car.
Yes. At the car wash.
At the car wash.
Ah! I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was extremely scary.
I'm keeping that up.
We're all gonna die!
What is wrong with you?
Smile pretty so they wash your teeth.
Ah! We're all gonna die!
Nice, Mason.
Look at those thingies!
We're alive.
What are those?
Everyone knows what they are.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's really, really loud right now!
This is cool.
That's the big blue spinny thing that's always in them.
It's an octopus. The octopuses are taking over.
We're all gonna die!
We're all gonna die. They're gonna.
And there goes the octopus. It's like that movie Sharknado, except the shark's not coming through our windshield. That's a good thing, if you guys didn't know that.
Nice one, Mason.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. What is that?
It's the big one!
More! No!
There's tiny ones on the side and a huge one in front! It's consuming our vehicle! It is consuming our vehicle!
Look at the back! Look at the back! Go back!
Yeah, let's wait and see it. Oh, it's not gonna come back. If you guys known, this is only like the 4th time that I've been in a car wash ever. Like ever.
They just sprayed ink on us. Are you okay? Ah!
Nice. Blue thingy! Die, octopus!
Ink on us. Stop spraying ink on us. It's dumb thing.
But no, they're squid. They're squids. They're spraying water on us. Look at that thingy.
Uh-oh. Okay.
It's coming back!
Okay, this time it's just the dryers, I think. There we go. We're alive!
Look, there's the big one. It's past now. Oh
Is it
my
the
god,
dry-
we're being abducted by aliens!
We're being abducted!
The water's just going off the windshield. We're being abducted. What are you? What are you? Drive through slowly. No, hit it.
Are we okay?
No, we're about to die.
Are we done?
Oh no, gonna die.
I'm just gonna bring this up. Adriel, are you dead? I don't know if you can hear me.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. At the car wash. Alright, that's it.
Bye.
Sorry if this is a scream of blackness. Goodbye.
Bye.